Hey there, Pamuka Wealth Empire, Patrick here, back with another video to help you take control of your finances and build the wealth you deserve. Today, we're diving into some common financial habits that might be holding you back and how to overcome them. Let's get started. Do you find yourself avoiding your bank account because you don't want to see how much money you don't have? You're not alone. According to the OECD, only 1 in 3 adults worldwide truly understand their finances. This lack of knowledge can lead to sudden financial crises, overspending, and debt. Have you ever faced an unexpected expense without any savings to cover it? It's more common than you think. A Bankrate survey found that only 41% of Americans could cover a $1,000 emergency from savings. Cars break down, and medical emergencies happen to everyone. To avoid being caught off guard, try to save at least 6 months of living expenses. And do you often end up buying things you don't need? Grocery stores know how to tempt us with impulse buys near the checkout. A Slick Deals survey revealed that the average American spends $14,500 annually on impulse purchases. Instead, save that money and invest it for your future. TV shows and social media make us believe we need to live lavishly, but that's a myth. The average American household spends around $3,000 a year on entertainment and dining out. Instead of splurging, set a budget for your hobbies and find affordable alternatives. Most people think their biggest bills are rent and utilities, but the wealthy think differently. They pay themselves first by prioritizing savings and investments. Instead of saving what's left after expenses, set aside money for your savings goals first. Do you swipe your credit card for things you can't afford? The average household credit card debt in the US is around $531. Avoid bad debt by prioritizing cash purchases and living within your means. Know the difference between good and bad debt to keep your finances healthy. When you get a raise, do you immediately upgrade your lifestyle? Nearly 78% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck, often due to lifestyle inflation. While some upgrades are necessary, like a larger house for a growing family, it's crucial to prioritize savings and avoid unnecessary expenses. Paying only the minimum balance on credit cards can lead to massive debt. Nearly 40% of credit card users carry balances month to month, paying only the minimum. This is a major reason why US credit card debt has surpassed $1 trillion. Saving money is just the first step. To build wealth, you need to invest. Even the richest people don't rely on a single income. Look for opportunities to increase your income through investments or career advancement. Don't wait for your boss to give you a raise. Know your worth and ask for it. If a salary hike isn't possible, ask for performance bonuses. This incentivizes you to perform better and brings more profit to your employer. A win-win situation. Lending money to friends or family can be tricky. Studies show that 38% of people have lost money due to unpaid debts. Be cautious and set clear terms. Ensure repayment, whether or not you charge interest, to protect your hard-earned money. Do you feel like you pay too much in taxes? Educate yourself on tax deductions and strategies. Maximizing investments like a Roth IRA can help your money grow tax-free. The wealthy often pay less in taxes by leveraging legal strategies. Waiting to invest is a costly mistake. The best time to start investing is now. Begin small, get educated, and gradually increase your investments to benefit from compounding interest. Investing in things you don't understand can be risky. Stick to what you know and understand. Even Warren Buffett avoids investments outside his expertise. Beware of get-rich-quick schemes. True wealth is built over time through hard work and smart investments. Gambling or chasing quick money often leads to financial ruin. Thanks for tuning in to Pamuka Wealth Empire. Remember, building wealth takes time, patience, and smart financial habits. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on managing your money. See you next time.